Hello viewers, this is Palace Kiddies Craft. Today we'll be making a flower design thank you card for mom and dad. Get a rectangular sheet of thick paper that is of dimension 20 centimeters by 30 centimeters. Fold it into 2 equal halves. Then put and cut out, draw out the shape that we have on top of the card and cut out to design the card. Place aside and cut out the flower shape from a square sheet of paper that is of dimension 9 centimeters by 9 centimeters. So we fold in this form. Fold into 2 equal halves. Fold again. And then fold again like this. Then draw and cut out the shape of flower. Then cut it out. Unfold. Then use a pencil to curl up the edges of the flower. Place aside and cut out the stalk of the flower from a green sheet of paper. So we'll draw what we want on this green sheet of paper. And then cut out. Place aside, then cut out the white sheet for the note from this rectangular sheet of paper. So we fold into 2 equal halves and cut out a heart shape from the white sheet of paper. Open up. Then we'll begin to glue things together. So we'll fix the note sheet just at the center of the card in that form. Fix the stalk of the flower to the front cover of the card. Fix the flower and then get a bottle cover as a center decorative piece. We'll place it aside to dry, and once it dries up, the card can be addressed to mom and dad. Hope you liked the video. Thank you. Hello viewers, this is Auntie Shemi, Palace Kiddies Craft. Thank you for watching our videos. But don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates on stylish and creative kiddies craft ideas. You could also like us and share our videos. Thank you.